YouFibre installation. Quick and easy setup. Just got YouFibre and ready to get set up. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to install your YouFibre internet service and get connected in no time. Let's get started. After signing up for YouFibre, the first step is to schedule your installation. You'll receive an email or call from YouFibre to arrange a convenient time. Installation is typically free and a technician will come to your house to set everything up. On the day of installation, the YouFibre technician will install a fiber optic cable directly to your property. This is a quick and clean process as they'll connect the fiber from a nearby street cabinet to your home. The technician will then install an optical network terminal inside, which converts the fiber signal into internet service for your router. Once the ONT is set up, the technician will connect your fiber router, and this is usually done by plugging an Ethernet cable from the ONT to the router's WAN port. Your router will then power up, and after a few minutes, you should be able to connect your devices via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. The technician will make sure everything is working before they leave. So after the setup, make sure to test your internet connection on a few devices. You can use a speed test website to check your download and upload speeds, like speed.com, and if everything looks good, your installation is complete, and you're now ready to enjoy ultra-fast fiber internet. And that's it, your YouFibre installation is complete. Check the description below for troubleshooting tips and customer support info, and enjoy your fast internet. Thanks for watching.